Thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. The supplies you would need are an old vase, any size that you have available, 1 can of gold spray, 3 packages of adhesive gems. First thing you're going to do is spray the vase. Then you're going to put the gems on the vase wherever you would like to place it. Go ahead and create a magnificent artwork. I think this vase turned out gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you love this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, turn that notification bell on, and come back.